My son, he's just so happy, and he wasn't happy before.
College has helped me make friendships.
I'm appreciating myself more. I've grown a lot.
Glasshouse College provides young people aged 16 to 25 years old with complex needs, transferable skills for life after college and the world of work. It's based in a former glassworks, and we offer an innovative craft method called Practical Skills Therapeutic Education. We also have a 46-acre farm nearby where they work with the animals and with the land, which then supplies the college kitchens and also the college shop.
His confidence has come on and he's communicating. You wouldn't believe the difference.
Our staff are role modelling positive relationships in the sessions, and this has a therapeutic effect and impact on our learners. Glasshouse College has an outstanding work experience offer for students. We have an on-site organic shop as well as an organic cafe and bakery. We have 22 sole traders who provide one-to-one work experience with our students.
I didn't enjoy my school experience. They just didn't understand me. It was very different when I came here. I feel more comfortable.
The national statistic for students with education healthcare plans getting jobs at the end of further education is 6%. Last year, 50% of our leavers went on to employment.
I was always worried about him living independently, but with the skills that he's learning here, it's going to set him up for life.